Look at here, this app, which is absolutely free, gives you all the latest model from Gemini as well as from Claude, where you can simply type a prompt. So here I type this small prompt where I ask AI to build a website for one of my friends with a very limited amount of information. And this tool first of all created summary, what it's going to build, and the remaining thing this tool did by itself. So the tool itself created entire layout and then generated all these pages, and finally in just this single prompt the website gets ready in one click. And of course if I need to modify, we can modify it. Alright, so let's see how you can achieve this as well, and that too for absolutely free. There is no charges involved. Alright, and before we begin, if you are new to Technoholic AI, I would recommend you to subscribe to it, as in this channel we discuss several different AI tools that going to help you in becoming more efficient and more productive, as you will be exposed to several different AI platforms that may dramatically improve your productivity. So make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI. Alright, let's get back to the topic, and here I'm just opening internet browser. Now here I'm gonna type Google Antigravity. And this is the tool I was referring to. All you need to do here is you need to click on download for Windows, and it is not only available for Windows but also available for Linux as well as macOS users. So based on your hardware and OS, you can choose the version you have. So in my case, I'm gonna go with this 64-bit, and here you can see the process of download has completed. Now all we need to do is we need to open this file and then run this setup, which is again I would say quite straightforward. And now here we can see the option which says launch Antigravity. Alright, now since I already have installed it in past, it may ask you to sign in. So all you need to do is you need to sign in with your ID. Once you sign in, all you need to do is you need to type what you want to achieve. For example, let me give him a prompt. I want you to help me out in building one of the most powerful interactive calculator that should have all the features and function. Again, it is very generic line. Maybe I can specifically ask that I also need this kind of function. I also want this should have day and night mode. Alright, now from here you can select your model. So in my last case I was using this Claude Opus 4.6, which is paid, and here you are getting it for free. So that's really awesome, guys. Now I'm gonna use this Gemini Pro 3.1. Now let's hit send, and there you go. Now all here we need to do is we need to wait for a few minutes till it make entire plan and build this app. And this is what it came up with, the plan. So if I click here on implementation plan, so here you can see these are the proposed features, which is dual mode. The standard mode have got basic arithmetic, percentage and clear function. Scientific mode will provide expandable panel with advanced maths like trigonometry, logs, and actually I do not want to go through all of this, but this is it came up with. It also came up with premium design aesthetic, how it going to achieve that, and a history tape. Now all you need to do here is either you need to let this know that you do not want this, so you can simply type it, or you can mention specifically if you want something. For example, I want also a small notepad to be added. Okay, so this is additional capability I am asking here, and let's see, it again will come up with plan. So by doing this, I just wanted to let you know that you can always customize to your requirement. Okay, so again, you need to wait for a while so that it can come up with revised plan. Alright, so now again I'm gonna check this write to file. Now you will see the browser will get opened by itself, and it is testing manually how this application works. So that's even nice, you know. You can also recognize it by seeing this. Let's again wait for a while. Alright, so the testing is completed and our app is also ready. So let me also try by making some calculation. As you can see here, as I checked scientific mode, it shows me these extra functions, else it come up with a simple calculator. We do have got this specific mode that we requested, and we have got this scratch pad or notepad in right hand side. So that's how guys we can utilize this free tool to build apps like this. In my opinion, if you want to build something that is very complicated, I would recommend you to prefer going with Claude Opus 4.6. And of course, you can go with other models as well, like Sonnet 4.6. All of these models have got their own capability. Opus is generally slow but good for complicated and complex type of output generation. However, Sonnet 4.6 is generally faster. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI for more such content. And if you have got any questions or doubt in your mind, please do let me know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you with that. Let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.